Hey guys, it's Miss Ross. All right, today we're going to be recording some weather data, and you're going to have to make your own chart. So you'll need a piece of notebook paper to record this weather data, okay? So we've got Greenville weather data right here, and what I want you to do is make sure that you label the piece of paper Greenville weather data, because we're also going to be recording weather data for Fairbanks, Alaska. Okay, so the Greenville weather data. And remember, when you're recording the weather, you need to, for it to be accurate, you need to do the same time and the same place every day. Okay, same time and same place. All right, so let's make our weather data chart. All right, the first line, come up here and go to the left side of this red line. Across the top, you're going to have the date. The date is going to be the first thing that you record daily. And what you're going to do is you're going to divide the chart. Well, no, let's record the things we're going to write down first. Okay, so do date first. Next is going to be the time. And remember, you're wanting to record at the same time each day. Next, you're going to record the temperature. Next, you're going to do the humidity. Next, you're going to do the pressure. And that's the air pressure. Next, you're going to record precipitation. And that's how much rain has there been, or snow, sleet, or hail. Then you're going to put the wind direction. Which way is the wind coming from? Next, you're going to do wind speed. And the last, you're going to put, I think that will probably do it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line here. And that will be your entire chart. So you can make a box out like this. And this is your entire chart that you're going to need. Okay. Then you can, if you want to draw your lines, trace your lines going this way, you can. I want you, after you do this, I want you to divide this into 4 separate sections. So do one right down the center. And then divide each of those sections in half again. And I'm using my Wimpy Kid book to help me. And we're going to record weather data every day this week. So we're going to start with 119. Then we're going to go to 120. Then 121 will be Thursday. And 122 will be Friday, okay? So what you're gonna do with this information, and I'm gonna have to switch it to screen share so I can show you what to do, is you're gonna go to a website called weatherbug.com. We're gonna write it right up here, weatherbug.com, okay? And using weatherbug.com, you're going to find each one of these things and you're going to record it under today's date. Make sure that you do this at the same time every day. All right, so I'm going to screen share and I'm going to show you where you can find this information. Okay, let me share my screen. I'm going to move you guys down to the bottom, and then I'm going to go to weatherbug.com. Here I go. Weatherbug.com. Enter. All right, and you'll notice if you're in weatherbug.com, you'll notice that it already says that it's in Greenville, North Carolina. Okay, right here, it already says it's in Greenville, North Carolina. So what all you need to do is you can find all the information that you need in this box right here or up here in this situation here. Okay, so you have it here and you have it here. Okay, So up here, it says it is 11:16 a.m. You can write that on the time, 11:16 a.m. Okay. Your time might be different. If you're watching this at 2 o'clock, then that'll be, the time that you put down. Just make sure you do it at the same time every day. The temperature is 48 degrees. I'm writing that in my blank, 48 degrees, and that is Fahrenheit. Humidity over here, humidity is at 50%. So you're going to write in the humidity box 50%. Air pressure is 30 and 33 hundredths. Write that down. 30 and 33 hundredths. Precipitation. Precipitation is the same thing as daily rain. So the daily rain, it has rained 0 today. Wind direction. Notice here how it says WSW. That's the direction that the wind is coming from. That means west-southwest. It's blowing from the southwest. So for wind direction, you write WSW. And then for wind speed, it'll say here the average wind is 7 miles per hour. I want the average, so write 7 mph. Okay, so now I'm going to come back and I'm going to stop sharing. I'm going to come back to here. And if you look here, you can see that I recorded the weather for today, okay, using weatherbug.com, weatherbug.com. Now, here we go. We're going to come down here and we're going to write, this is going to be Fairbanks, Alaska, Fairbanks, Fairbanks, Alaska. And we're going to do the same chart at the bottom of the page. So you're going to write the date, time, temperature, humidity, pressure, precipitation, wind direction, wind speed. Okay, you're going to draw the exact same chart. So you're going to draw in your rectangle again and use your straight edge. Use your straight edge. Well, first off, let's do the date. 1/19. Well, no, use your straight edge. Divide it up. Halfway through, draw a line halfway, and then do a line here and here. Okay, so I've got 119, then I'm going to do 120, 121, and 122. All right, so this is going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of this week, and we're going to record. You're going to try to record as close to the same time every day as you can. Okay. All right. So keeping in mind in Alaska right now, it is I think they're 4 hours behind, possibly 3 hours behind. So if it is 11:30 here, it would be 10:30, 9:30. It would be 8:30 in the morning there. Okay. All right. So I'm going to screen share again, and I'm going to go back to weatherbug.com. Here I go. Going back to weatherbug.com, and I'm going to keep this up here so you can see it in the top left-hand corner up here. So on weatherbug.com, instead of Greenville, I want to go to Fairbanks. There it is, Fairbanks, Alaska. Click on it. Okay, this is recorded at Fort Wainwright, which is, I believe, an Air Force base there in, I I know, I don't know if it is an Air Force Base. I know they have an Air Force Base in Fairbanks, but I don't know if it's called Fort Wainwright. Okay, so what you're going to do is we're going to record the weather data for the 19th right now. And it says there that it is 7:35 in the morning. So they are 4 hours back, not 3 hours back. So right here, you're going to record the time on the website. So we're going to do 7:35 a.m. You're recording at the same time, and just do it every day right after you do the Greenville weather, okay? All right, so our temperature for today is 23 degrees, and that is Fahrenheit. That is very cold. Humidity is 82 degrees, so that means that it's probably going to rain there soon. 82%, not degrees. I apologize. And when I say it's probably going to rain soon, that means that it's probably going to snow, because it's colder than freezing there. So that means that if any moisture falls out of the sky, it's going to be frozen. Okay. The pressure is 29 and 45 hundredths. And this is, remember that the lower it goes, the nastier it's going to be, okay? Next, we've got precipitation. They've got 0 for the precipitation today. It has not started raining yet. Next, wind direction is their wind is coming from the west. And wind speed, you can see that the average wind speed is 12 miles per hour, okay? And so this is all I want you to do. Well, not all I want you to do. This is all I want you to do for today. But then don't lose this, because I'm going to ask you to record the weather data every day for the next 4 days, okay? So I'm going to stop my share. I'm going to come back here. So you should have a chart now that has Greenville weather data, Fairbanks, Alaska weather data. The charts are identical, and you've recorded 1 day. Okay, so tomorrow you're going to try to record as close to this time as you possibly can. If you come to Zoom, I'll do it with you. Come to Zoom. Okay, I love you. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.